Gene Valentino's Grassroots podcast. He tells the truth. He tries to get information out there to make sure people make good, informed decisions.
It's finally here, our second annual mega sale. This sale only comes around once a year, so take advantage of the best offers ever while you can. For example, save 50% on our Giza Dream bed sheets, as low as $29.98. And for the first time ever on TV, My Pillow mattresses and My Pillow mattress toppers, as low as $99.98. And you save 50% on our Lux Pure 6-piece towel sets. Regular $69.98, now only $39.98. And our best-selling standard My Pillows, regular $49.98, on sale for $17.98. Wait on it, mega sale, only $14.98. So go to mypillow.com or call the number on your screen. Use this promo code to take advantage of our second annual mega sale. But wait, there's more. To make the mega sale even more special, when you order right now, your order's going to ship absolutely free.
Let's bring in the honorary chairwoman of the Tea Party Patriots Action, Jenny Beth Martin, and Gene Valentino is a Republican strategist, so they both join me right now. Big test case, a big deal with potentially very wide-ranging consequences, Beth.
I think that as a parent, my kids now are 22. I have twins. As a parent, we all have watched that our children's mental health has declined the more that they are on social media. And I have always urged parents, make sure you have the passwords, watch what the algorithm is feeding your children, limit how much time your kids are spending on social media. I think we all know it can be useful, but it also can be very harmful. And if the social media companies were prioritizing more clicks and more engagement over the health and well-being of kids, and they knew that that was the calculus that they were taking, then they should be held accountable for it.
Yeah, I mean, look, it's definitely addictive in some way, shape, or form, because, you know, even as adults, we can sit there and just go down all the rabbit holes, you know, flipping, boop, 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 watching, like going crazy. And then all of a sudden 2 hours have gone by. I mean, these companies, Gene, you know, they claim their algorithms are neutral, but you have whistleblowers say that their hyper-personalized design kind of pushes kids to extremes, especially when it comes to self-harm content, which is just so sad. But is this kind of like product liability here, or do consumers, and, you know, that would be parents too, bear some responsibility?
Oh, that's an excellent question, because if you consider the broadcast itself a product, you are talking about a product liability. And in this case, harm can occur. It's almost like mom and dad having some level of responsibility, though, to ensure their 14-year-old isn't out driving a car illegally. The car is it could cause damage to that child who inappropriately got behind the wheel. But nonetheless, it was inappropriate for that child to be there in the first place. In the case of social media, is it an addiction? Is it, let me make an analogy, and it's not that far reaching anymore, although I thought it was. Trump derangement syndrome, as evidenced by what we're reading and seeing in the media, whether it's to youth or elders. It's an exposure that has certainly captured the social wellness of every individual. Then, therefore, there should be some sort of control applied to the disciplines, the allowances to the children to having the same access. I think we're going to see from this lawsuit more oversight imposed on parents to make sure they control their children and their use in social media. I think that's appropriate in this new day and time. I do think it's unfair that so much of it got put upon the parents all of a sudden, because Mark Zuckerberg painted the picture as if there was no harm. And there is clearly harm, and he's now being called in to testify and account for it.
So, I mean, there's hundreds of plaintiffs in this, and you have one particular woman accuses Meta and YouTube of following Big Tobacco's kind of playbook, remember, like addicting kids while they're young and ignoring the research showing the risks. Meta denies that they intentionally, get users hooked. What do you think, Jenny?
Well, I think that all we have to do is watch as kids are on their phone. They definitely are staying on. It's very hard to take it away. It's hard to take it away from adults as well. So I think that they are addictive. Whether Meta did this deliberately or not, that's what the trial is about. It is the comparison about a 14-year-old in a car driving a car and the parents being responsible. Absolutely, the parents should not have let the kid have the car. But we also have age limits that limit, you're not allowed to drive a car until you're 16 years old. You can learn when you're 15. You have to have a driver's license. When you go to buy cigarettes or alcohol or other things that we know have an addictive tendency, but are still legal, we limit that when it comes to children, mostly because their bodies and their minds are still developing, and we don't want that addictive nature to interfere with them.
And there's supposed to be an age requirement to hop on some of these things, and obviously that is not holding steady at all. I mean, kids are finding their way on. Now, whether or not the parents are allowing them, or they're just getting around it because they're smarter than us, or they're doing it at school and no one's watching. A lot's going to come out of this trial. Really interesting. Jenny Beth Martin, Gene Valentino, thanks. It's great having you guys. Thanks for coming on.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks, Rob.
It's finally here, our second annual mega sale. This sale only comes around once a year, so take advantage of the best offers ever while you can. For example, save 50% on our Giza Dream bed sheets, as low as $29.98. And for the first time ever on TV, MyPillow mattresses and MyPillow mattress toppers as low as $99.98. And you save 50% on our Lux Pure 6-piece towel sets. Regular $69.98, now only $39.98. And our best-selling standard MyPillows, regular $49.98, on sale for $17.98. Wait on it, mega sale, only $14.98. So go to mypillow.com or call the number on your screen. Use this promo code to take advantage of our second annual mega sale. But wait, there's more. To make the mega sale even more special, when you order right now, your order's going to ship absolutely free.